Hi, welcome to SK Advice Services Private Limited, prioritizing delivery of market knowledge to everyone around the universe. We make you simple for your investment and for your valued capital. We're here in making you understand what stock market is and what are its futures and options, what are technical analysis, fundamental investments, and earning commodities. We aim at earning people. The main goal is to earn people. We make people happy, we are happy, we gain their trust. They learn, we learn, everyone learn at how to invest in SK Advisors. It's a reliable advisor unit you can trust. The main parameters what we focus on is profitable investment. Always a profitable investment, always a profitable investment. Get your hands on our charts, on our graphics, on our indicators, how to develop your own strategies. Get trained to take your own positions in the market, all by yourself with our exclusive live sessions from our trained and qualified advisors. We go live with everyone and you will be guided with each and every single step for fundamentals and research, every kind of analysis. We are here to support you, live assistance and complete stock provider. We are a complete stock provider, yes. We provide videos, we provide completely handcrafted videos for you to make it understand and make you the master in the art of trading. The timetable with us are like we train you to meet all the requirements of stock markets with all the key technologies and parameters so as to get you skilled in the stock markets. Making you understand and get you trained to the core is our most top priority. We aim at providing knowledge. Knowledge is wisdom in stock market. Stock market is a deep sea with thousands of available options for you to learn, trade and earn. We here help you to get along with all the available options. Join our advisory for interactive sessions and live market trading. Our topics which we are covering are option chart, derivative strength, P ratio, risk reward ratio, debit ratio, all kind of ratios and many more. We have bundles like futures and options, commodities and currencies, and our bundle 3 is like you can choose both, whichever you want. Like equity, you can further choose for equity or you can choose for currencies. We provide live sessions for every day. You can join a premium, which is a weekly base updates for every day on key fundamentals, and you will be getting intraday gain calls daily. Yes, the options gain calls, whatever equity gain calls will be assisted by you for 24/7. Thank you. SK Advice Service Private Limited.